Welcome to Bishop Legal News, where we review appellate and Supreme Court decisions that may affect the outcome of your own case. In February 2012, the Washington Supreme Court decided the case of Matsyuk versus State Farm Insurance. Olga Matsyuk was injured in an accident as a passenger in Mr. Stemditsky's car. Mr. Stemditsky caused the accident and was insured by State Farm. He had purchased coverage that paid for Ms. Matsyuk's medical bills, and he had separately purchased coverage that protected him from Ms. Matsyuk's liability claims. Ms. Matsyuk was legally entitled to use both State Farm coverages, and she did. She first used the coverage designed to pay for her medical bills. Then her attorneys made a claim against the liability coverage in the same State Farm policy. State Farm argued that any liability settlement had to be reduced by the amount that State Farm had already paid for her medical bills. Ms. Matsyuk argued that because she had to pay attorneys to get a liability award from State Farm in the first place, then State Farm should have to contribute to her legal fees if it wanted money back for the medical payments it had made. State Farm rejected Ms. Matsyuk's request, and she brought insurance bad faith claims against State Farm, asking the court to rule that State Farm had to contribute to her attorney's fees. The Supreme Court decided in her favor. They reasoned that Ms. Matsyuk's attorneys had secured a liability settlement award that created a common fund of money. The court reasoned that if State Farm wanted to share any part of the common fund of money created by Ms. Matsyuk's attorneys, State Farm would have to contribute to her attorney's fees. This case is important because if you are injured in an accident and use different parts of the same insurance policy to pay for medical bills and other damages, the insurance company may have to contribute to your legal fees. Legal news happens fast and can quickly affect the outcome of pending cases. Each case is unique, so this case does not necessarily indicate the outcome of your case. Feel free to check back here for future editions of Legal News. I'm Raymond Bishop for Bishop Legal.